Hazard controls are important to ensure our food is safe, but how? My name is Felicia Loo, and I am a registered SQF consultant helping businesses with their SQF program requirements. Today, we're focusing on the critical of hazard requirements under SQF certification, what they are, when they apply, how you can effectively manage them in your operations. Under SQF certification, identifying and controlling hazards is a foundational element. This involves systematically recognizing potential physical, chemical, and biological hazards that could compromise the safety and quality of your food products. It's an essential practice that ensures you're not just meeting regulatory obligations but also protecting consumers and maintaining your brand reputation. So, when does this requirement come into play for your organization? The answer: always, at every point in your supply chain. Whether you're a grower, manufacturer, or distributor, identifying hazards is a continuous process that needs to be integrated into your operational protocols. What should you focus on during a hazard analysis? Prioritize a thorough review of all inputs into your process and outputs that may affect food safety. Assess raw materials, processing steps, storage conditions, and even distribution methods. Recognize critical control points and establish protocols to prevent, eliminate, or reduce hazards to acceptable levels. To sidestep costly missteps, consider requesting the expertise of a registered SQF consultant like myself. We can help you navigate the complexities of hazard analysis, ensuring alignment with SQF standards. Book a strategy call with myself, Felicia Loo, today to strengthen your food safety programs and protect your business from potential pitfalls. Call us at 123-651-32488 for more details. For more actionable insights and expert tips, subscribe to our channel and continue your journey towards compliance.